Hey everyone, Tony G. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about an anterior tib or your front shin stretch. Now, this stretch can be done both sitting and standing. I'm going to be showing the sitting one first, and then potentially I will be showing the standing one. The standing one tends to be a little bit more intense, so I will be cautious about showing everybody this. You don't necessarily want to jump directly into the standing one. The sitting one can actually be quite sufficient enough, okay? So, and it's a very simple stretch. All you're going to do, and hopefully you can see my feet, yeah, you can, okay? We're going to actually take our toes and we're going to put them back down, okay? Now, as though we're trying to pretend sending force this way, we're going to allow our foot to just kind of bend this way till you feel a nice gentle stretch right here through the front. And we're just going to hang out here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And bring your foot back and shake it out. Okay, now people who typically have shin splints or pain in the front of their foot, this is a good idea. If you're very active and you're a runner, also another good idea. Also, there have been kind of correlating studies of knee pain as well. Stretching your anterior tib can help with that as well. So keeping that in mind, we're going to do one more time. Here we go. We're going to keep the foot. We just point the toes down, making sure the toes are against the floor. I know it's a little bit hard to see with, actually, there you go. That's a better view. Okay, so we're going to turn this way, and we're just trying to press our knee forward and down so that we get a nice stretch right through here, and we're just going to hang out there. Okay, now my ankle is slightly inverted. So we're tilted in. We're going to hold it there for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and relax, okay? Now, as always, you want to make sure that we're symmetrical, so I will be stretching my left side as well, okay? And again, we're going to kind of see it. We're going to point our toes down. If you are someone who cares heavily about your sneakers and maybe you want to take them off, you could do this also barefoot. There's no difference in my opinion. So we're going to have this, we're going to have our foot down here. We're going to send the pressure till we feel a nice stretch right here through the front shin area. And we're just going to hang out there for 30 seconds, okay? Now sometimes you do need to go a little bit steeper in angle for one side as compared to the other, which is fine though. You typically want to feel a stretch. If you're doing this and you're getting sharp stabbing numbness into your leg, stop. This is not necessarily healthy or what you want to be doing. You should have yourself checked out, okay? But if you're clear for that, let's just go straight into it. Feel the stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Bring your foot out of there. Shake it out. Loosen it up. Give yourself a few seconds between, typically 5 to 10 seconds between stretch. Just want to make sure that you're giving the chance, giving the tissues a chance, wow, that's a tongue twister, to recoil, and so then you could get a little bit of a greater stretch out of there. You bring our foot down again. We're going to kind of apply force downward till you feel a stretch through the front of the shin, and you're going to hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And come out of there and relax, okay? That, everyone, is the anterior tib stretch. Give that a try. We'll only do the seated one for now. We'll see how much popularity this gets. If I get enough likes, perhaps I'll put the standing one, okay? Thanks, everyone. As always, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.